Hi, today we're going to be looking at the CS Zurich from Cafe Society. It is a bean to cup machine which uses fresh beans and fresh milk. The machine is capable of producing cappuccino, espressos, latte, black and white coffees. So now we're going to look at some of the main features of the machine. As you can see, it is quite a compact sized piece of equipment and is suitable for small offices or small coffee outlets. Features an LCD display, touch panel for all your drink selections, adjustable head height, hot water facility and a high capacity bean hopper extension. So we're going to start by making some drinks. The first drink we're going to make is an espresso. Place the cup underneath, we're just going to move the dispense head down and we press the espresso button. The machine grinds the beans for the individual cup. And then the machine will start to dispense the espresso. And there we have our espresso. So next we're going to make a cappuccino. So we're going to place the cup underneath the main head and press the cappuccino button. Again, the machine grinds the beans for the individual cup. Dispenses the espresso. This then will be followed by steamed and hot milk. And there we have our cappuccino. So now we're going to go on to make a black coffee, or what's known on the machine as a café crème. Again, we take our glass underneath the machine and we press the café crème button. You probably won't be able to see on the video, but the name of the coffee that we choose actually comes up on the screen. So the machine's now ground the coffee and it's now going to dispense a long black coffee into the glass. Quite simply, there we have our black coffee. So, that was a CS Zurich from Cafe Society. If you'd like further information, please visit our website at www.cafesociety.co.uk or call us on 0845 4500 500.